Want to fight global climate change but don't know where to start? No, it's not through electric cars, wind energy, or the elimination of coal factories. The answer can be found right in your fridge. That's right, the best way to combat global climate change is through your diet. More specifically, your consumption of meat and dairy. No, Peter didn't hire me to convert you all to vegans to save the cute animals. Eating meat is the #1 cause of water depletion, ocean dead zones, and much, much more. You heard me, #1. Don't believe me? Listen to this guy.
Single largest contributor to every known environmental ill known to humankind. Deforestation, land use, water scarcity, the destabilization of communities, world hunger. The list doesn't stop. It's an environmental disaster that's being ignored by the very people who should be championing.
If we stopped using gas, oil, and electricity from this day forward, the world will still exceed the maximum equivalent of greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 by livestock alone. Studies have shown that agriculture emits 50% more emissions than the transportation sector combined. But why? Livestock emits a lot of gases. Through excellence, manure, and flatulence, livestock emits insane amounts of methane. Methane is 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide, and with livestock covering more than 45% of the Earth's total land, that starts to build up big time. In addition, agriculture is responsible for 80 to 90% of the United States' water consumption.
The human population drinks 5.2 billion gallons of water every day and eats 21 billion pounds of food. But just the world's 1.5 billion cows alone drink 45 billion gallons of water every day and eat 135 billion pounds of food.
Not to mention that 2,500 gallons of water are needed to produce just 1 pound of beef. So what can we do? Well, the best thing to do is to stop eating meat and dairy altogether. But if you can't get yourself to give up all your meat...
You don't eat no meat?
No, he doesn't eat meat.
What do you mean he don't eat no meat?
Then try sticking to less methane-emitting animals like kangaroos. And if all else fails, just strap on a fart pack to the cows to capture some of the methane. Whatever route you decide to take, you'll be one step closer to living in a happy, healthier planet.